Fiddly do, everybody. Okay, so here's a really a swing bow for you. Okay, y'all. If you check out this MAWI, if you go to the Epic store, I'll put a link below. But you see something called MAWI free content available now. God damn, this is amazing. So if you click on it, you get these two things: broadleaf forest biome and conifer forest biome. Okay, and this is wicked. This is cool. I mean, look at this kind of stuff, man. This entire, damn, look at that. Look at that. All for free. All for free. Damn, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look, look at this. Look at these winter everything. These are the assets that you get in that pack. I mean, look at this. It's ridiculous. Look at it. Are you looking? This is insane. This is insane. You can build all of these things with the assets that they give you. It's absolutely ridiculous, like that. Or you can go into, let me just push pause on that one. Now you get like spring or autumn or whatever the hell it is. What is it? Autumn. Look at this. So you can change all these kind of things. It's ridiculous. And then you get them winter. You get them winter. You don't get summer. You get winter. You get all of them. All of them. So this is insane, man. I mean, this is crazy. And on the next set, you get the confir, what is it called? Confir, conifer. Okay, beautiful. Once again, man, you get winter, all that kind of stuff with it, different trees, different looks. Damn, look at this. This is insane. So if you play again, this is daytime, forest daytime. Look at this. And you can obviously combine the two. So go get them. It's free, people. This is absolutely insane. You know, there's a certain CEO, I'm sure, that's crying in the bathroom, putting on his lipstick, going, "Oh my God," because he sees what these guys are doing. They're giving away everything for free, but you know what? You know what? People wearing their little, 600 thread Amani suits, they can't do this. They know the right way of how to get people, and this is why Epic is absolutely dominating at the moment. They understand the way how to do these things and whatever, but they can't. And that's the beauty of it. One of these filthy dogs in a suit, they can't give away things for free. They don't understand the meaning of it, or the loss of 2 cents in their account. They can't do it. And this is why Epic is leading the way with this kind of stuff. Why? Because you've got a creative behind all of this thing, behind these things. And this is just incredible, man. I mean, look at this. You can go pick these up right now. These assets used to cost thousands and months to make. And now they just hand it to us. It's just creative freedom now, which is beautiful. So, if you don't have an Epic account, go get one. Look, I don't care about any corporation, in all honesty. I use what's best for me at the moment. But damn, look at this. This is ridiculous. So, go get it. Just go make an Epic account. Get the damn free assets. They are incredible. They are absolutely mind-bogglingly beautiful. Look at the kind of things you can get with them. They are absolutely stunning. So go get them. There's no reason not to. And I hope this helps. And this is incredible. Go get them. All right, y'all. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.